everyone. So we started from home in Dharamshala around 6 a.m. and from Galu we started our hike at 7 a.m. and it's around 10:30 in the morning and we have just reached Triund. A well-deserved rest time, yay! And who can say no to Maggie at such a gorgeous hill? Come on, Mom, bring it on. The weather here in Triund changes rapidly. 1 minute it's sun, the other it's cloudy and can rain or snow as well depending on the time of the year you are hiking. Exploring the Triund Hill. Triund has few green pastures as well as huge rocks scattered all around. These rocks are home to 1 or 2 cafes, few small temples and camping sites. I haven't seen such big boulders in my life ever. One looked like the Titanic. By the way, that's my mom trying a very risky climb on that big rock. Please do not attempt such climbs carelessly. The sign read private property, so we kept out, but went further to check out the view from the other end of Triund, but couldn't see much as the blanket of clouds had covered most of it by now. The envelope of fog has covered the majestic dhauladhars by now. A pro tip: try to reach Triund before 11 am if you want to enjoy the view. So, this is the famous forest rest house of Triund, which officially reads the altitude at which Triund is situated. And post these pics, we decided to head back to Gallu. Few scenes of our descent from Triund back to Gallu. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. I'm sure you can see as to how tricky this hike was. That's Dharamkot, and the sun is all ready to set behind the Gallu hill. By the time we started driving back from Gallu to Mcleodganj, it was pitch dark. As you can see, my dad had to turn on the headlights in order to see and drive through this very rough road. I leave you with some cinematic shots of Triund, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Please continue to share your love, and I shall see you soon in the next video. Ciao.